Well, truly a sad state of affairs there from Kumaraswamy layout, and hoping that the BBMP does swing into action. Well, moving on now, challenges with catchy hashtags are becoming popular on social media. Many of these challenges are associated with important causes, and so when they go viral, they also put the spotlight on the issue that needs attention. Well, here is one such challenge that is giving major eco-friendly goals to techies and residents.
Bengalurians give thumbs up to BYOC challenge. Now bring your own cups to tea shops and juice centers. It's a fight against plastic cutlery. Switch to reusable tableware. Techies of Whitefield have started a war against plastic, and their strategy is nothing short of innovative this time. This BYOC challenge is gaining momentum among residents of Bengaluru's Whitefield too. But what is BYOC Selfie Challenge? The Bring Your Own Cup Challenge calls for techies to carry their own cutleries instead of using plastic or paper cutlery and post pictures of them with their steel cups on social media. Paper cups are neither good for environment nor for health. Once discarded, they either end up in a landfill or burnt because they cannot be recycled. In fact, every paper cup has a thin plastic lining or wax coating which can get into the drink. The entire concept of carrying stainless steel water bottle, cups, spoons, straws and porcelain mugs is to encourage the use of reusable cutlery and boycott plastics.
When we started this challenge, within 1 or 2 days, our Econet, they started posting their own selfies or on photos with in their own way. Like someone posting with on cutlery they are going, and some are posting they are getting grocery in their own container. Some are posting they are using cloth bags. So we started with a C as a cup, but it went as a C as a cup, cutlery, cloth bag, even compost. You are posting, then your friends are saying, oh wow, it's so easy to carry a glass or a straw in a small cloth bag, and we are also ready to take this challenge. So it's going viral like this.
With numerous IT companies in Whitefield, the amount of garbage generated is humongous. However, many seem to care less about the garbage menace in the IT hub. The corporates can not only bring in a big difference by switching to reusable tableware, but can be an example for many. So, to create an awareness, a bunch of techies took to the streets and explained the advantage of using own cutleries.
I think the awareness among IT population is very, very low when it comes to garbage. They think that paper is biodegradable, plastic can be recycled, but the truth is in practical scenario, none of that is going to any recyclable facility. So we are letting people know that just like how you carry your phone, how you carry your wallet, your laptop, just carry a small tumbler, carry your own spoon and a plate, keep it in your bag, and it is hygiene.
The challenge is not about taking a glass tumbler out of the office, clicking and sharing a selfie, and then getting back to paper or plastic. It is about using reusable cutlery out of habit. Hopefully, this innovative move garners more attention and brings about a change in the society. A Newsman report.